This is Xiaomi 13, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, you will need to make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Google Play Store app. At the search bar, type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, you gotta click at the green install button that will appear right over here, and wait for it to get downloaded and installed respectively, which will not take a lot of time at all. Now you can go ahead and launch the app. In here, while opening Opera for the first time, it is required that you undergo a very simple setup procedure. So starting with the choice presented to you that the choice to either enable or disable notifications, or perhaps you would like to set Opera as your default browser app right off the bat. And finally, you can either customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.